Hello friends, today we have HCF and LCM of numbers problem number 3rd. This problem was asked in SSC 2005 exam. This type of problems are asked in different types of competitive exams like bank PO, railway exam, CAT, MAT, GMAT, MBA, MCA, UPSC, etc. So today I am going to explain how to solve this type of problems. Let's start. What is the least number which when divided by the numbers 3, 5, 6, 8, 10 and 12 leaves in each case the remainder 2. But when divided by 13 leaves no remainder. So this type of questions, first of all we will take LCM of 3, 5, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So LCM of these numbers, this is equal to 120. So the required number is of the form of 120 n plus 2, like that, this type of form. So least number or least value of n for which 120 n 120 n plus 2 is divisible by 13 is n equal to 8. So when n equal to 8, this number 120 n plus 2 is completely divisible by 13. So least number of n is 8. Therefore, required number, this is equal to 120 into 8 plus 2. So this is equal to 960 plus 2 and this is equal to 962. So our answer is 962. So least number is, what is the least number? Least number is 962 and this is our answer. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more such type of questions, there are the links in the description. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video, so please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.